Imagine being able to make Pinterest pins like this in seconds. What used to take hours every week or a designer skill set is something you can now do in batch create hundreds of high quality, high converting, keyword optimized Pinterest pins in just a few minutes per month. Let me walk you through one of my favorite tools called Pin Generator. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. And today I want to show you the tool that makes all of this possible, Pin Generator. Pin Generator is a Pinterest marketing tool that uses AI to create, schedule, and automate your Pinterest pins, and it does all of this in one place. This tool is useful for three main reasons. So first, it saves you hours every week. You already know that creating Pinterest pins manually takes a significant amount of time, and most people either burn out or fall off before they ever see real results. Pin Generator, however, brings that time down to just minutes per month, especially with its AI automation workflow. Second, Pin Generator brings traffic to your website or shop, as Pin Generator uses AI to optimize your pins with SEO and AI-friendly keywords, so they have a much better chance of getting seen by the right people and therefore increasing your traffic and sales. As you know, Pinterest is a search engine with over 631 million monthly users. And when your pins are optimized, they continue to work for you around the clock. And third, it lets you run high-scale, high-volume Pinterest marketing campaigns that would normally require an entire team. But now you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. Pin Generator has also benefited from some significant updates in 2026 that have taken the tool to a completely different level. There's now a fully AI pin design tool that creates complete polished pins from scratch with no templates, no manual editing, and no design skills needed. This is made possible by its new AI branding tool, which reads your website and builds out your entire visual identity automatically. And if you don't have a website, don't worry. You can describe your brand in your own words and it will create a brand identity for you in seconds. And not only that, Pin Generator also works behind the scenes on your SEO, writing you keyword optimized titles, descriptions, and alt text so your pins are set up to get found by the right people. And finally, when you're ready to post, its AI board selector tool automatically assigns each pin to the right board based on your content, so you're not wasting time figuring out where each pin belongs. Pin Generator already knows. On top of all of those updates, there's also dynamic templates available if you want more control over your pins. You can choose from hundreds of templates in our existing library, create your own directly inside the tool, or upload your favorite designs from other editing platforms. These templates are dynamic, meaning they automatically update based on your content, so you're not manually swapping out text and images every time. And even when you're working with the templates, you can still use all of Pin Generator's AI tools, such as rewriting the titles, descriptions, and alt text, generating AI images, and selecting boards automatically. You can use as much or as little AI as you want inside the tool, which means it works whether you want to be completely hands-off or whether you prefer to stay a little more involved in the creative process. So now that you know what Pin Generator can do, let me walk you through the tool so you can see exactly how fast and simple it actually is. The first thing I want to show you is the automation workflow. What this does is connect to your website, shop, or affiliate links and create Pinterest pins for you automatically, either by week or by month. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and once it's running, that automation can keep going for months with very little input from you. It really is as close to set it and forget it as Pinterest marketing can get. So there are a few different ways to use the automation flow depending on your situation. You can run it with or without a website, and you can choose between fully AI generated images or dynamic templates. We're going to walk through each of these so you can see how each one works. Let's start with a website and fully AI images. Head to pingenerator.com and click Start Pinning Now. Here, you'll name your automation. This is just something for you to remember, so don't overthink it. Then you'll select how many pins you want to go out per day. We recommend 1 and 3 pins per day when you're just starting out so it doesn't appear spammy. And finally, you'll select how often you want to review, weekly or monthly. Weekly is what I'd suggest until you get the hang of it. Then you'll connect your website. This is where Pin Generator scans your site and pulls up a sitemap where you can choose whether you want to make pins for your entire site or just a specific set of pages, like your 5 most recent blog posts. Once you've selected those, Pin Generator will scan your website and identify your brand identity, pulling out colors, tone, and style. It will explain how it's chosen each of these, and you can tweak the brand identity until it matches the vibe you're going after. If you have a mood board or images you want to emulate, you can upload those too and keep regenerating thumbnails until you reach a brand identity that feels most like you. From there, you'll connect your Pinterest profile, set your AI options like alt text generation and tone of voice, and you'll be able to identify AI keywords you want included in all of your titles and description. And you'll also be able to add any pinned text like #affiliate if you need disclosures for affiliate links. Then you can use AI to select your boards or choose your own. Finally, you'll review your automation and hit generate. Now let's go back and do this without a website. When you select the no website option and hit next, you'll describe your pins and add your outbound links directly. This is especially useful for affiliate marketers who are linking straight to the product or a program. Then you'll follow the same path. Choose fully AI images, reanalyze your brand, and tweak it until it feels right. Then you'll work through the same steps that we did just before. And remember, you can keep regenerating AI image examples until it's just right in the brand identity you're after. If you've got an Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce store, the process is the same too. You just connect your store, select your products, and follow the same path. Now let's walk through what it looks like if you choose dynamic templates instead of the fully AI images. Whether you're doing this with or without a website, you'll select the templates option and choose a color palette at the top and then browse through hundreds of template options from our site. You can favorite the ones that you use most, upload your own from Canva or another editing platform, or build directly inside Pin Generator. The steps from here are very similar, answering questions like titles with AI, descriptions with AI, AI keywords, and previewing what a test image will look like. Then you'll hit next and follow the same workflow all the way to generate. Once you hit generate, you can wait a few moments while your pins are created right there in the canvas, or you can close out of the program entirely and you'll get an email when your pins are ready for you to review and approve. Either way, you're always in control of what goes live. When you decide to review your pins, how much you can customize depends entirely on which method you used. If you chose the fully AI image option, the pin images are flat, meaning the AI has generated a complete image and you cannot change the text on the screen or the layout. But you can still update the title, the description, the alt text, keywords, links, and board selection. If you use the dynamic templates, you'll have a lot more room to customize because you can swap out images, change colors, and adjust the layout, though the images themselves tend to be less graphically complex than the fully AI generated ones. So it really comes down to what matters most to you: a more polished AI generated image with slightly less flexibility, or a more customizable template with more control over the final look. Now let me show you what the generate page looks like, which works a little bit differently. Instead of going full automation mode, the generate page is what I use when I've got a specific piece of content I want to promote right now. Let's say you've just published a new blog post and you want to make 30 pins for it that go out twice a week over the next 3 months. Here, you'll go to the generate page and you'll drop your link into the generator, and it will create all of those pins for you that you can save or schedule all in one sitting. It's also where you'll find a full range of editing tools. For example, when you click the edit button on any pin, you can rewrite the title with AI, rewrite the description with AI, generate alt text, use the AI board selector, and change the template all from this one space. You can also download the pin, schedule it, pin it directly to Pinterest, shuffle templates, or duplicate a pin for A/B testing. There's also options to lock a design that you absolutely love, edit the template on the canvas, remove elements, or delete the pin entirely. On the left-hand side, you'll notice more options too. You can turn the AI board selection on or off, access more templates or create your own, save design profiles so you can come back to a look you love, and override font colors, types, and styles. You can also add your logo here, swap in your own images, add stock images, or generate AI images too. In the content and AI section, you can rewrite all of your titles and descriptions all at once, change the tone of voice across every pin in one click, and use the bulk override and bulk scheduling options to manage large batches of pins all at once. If you ever want a refresher on any of these features, there's a built-in page tour at the bottom of the screen that walks you through everything from generating pins to scheduling to AI board selection and more. Feel free to click it if you ever need it. All right, that's our quick overview of how to use the automation tool, AI branding, and pin generator page. If you want to learn more about how to use pin generator in your Pinterest marketing best practices, we release new videos every week on our YouTube channel too. Head on over and click subscribe because you don't want to miss them. Let's get generating.